How to find a TikTok video that you lost after refreshing. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to find a TikTok video that you accidentally lost after refreshing. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What you need to do first is to head into the TikTok app on the mobile and then click right here to be taken to your profile page. So let's say that you watched a video and then accidentally lost it after you refreshed or something else happened that made you lose a video, but don't worry, you will still be able to find it again. And to do that, you will need to click on this try-bar symbol in the top right corner. Now click on Settings and Privacy. When you have done that, then you will need to scroll down a little bit until you see where it says Watch History, and that is exactly where you will need to click. In here, you will be able to see all of your watch history in the past 7 days. So my recommendation is to go here as fast as possible when you lost a video, because then it should appear in the top here and you will be able to find it very quickly. Otherwise, it can be a little bit messy to find it if you watched a lot of videos after you lost that one that you want to see. If you don't see anything in here, then that might be because you did not enable the watch history on your TikTok app. And to be able to enable the watch history, then click right here and then you need to make sure that this right here is on. But if you don't have the watch history option at all, then you can check if your TikTok app is updated to the latest version, because the latest TikTok version should fix that you can have the watch history option. If that does not solve the issue for you, then you would just have to wait for TikTok to roll it out to you, because sometimes it takes some time for TikTok to roll out its new features to all users. They roll it out step by step basically. So some might have it and other might not have this watch history option right now. So this is exactly how to find a TikTok video that you lost after refreshing. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.